I just killed her para maturo ka na pumatay sa kanya. Pero dahil sobrang galing ng naril na yan, pumalpak siya. And here we are.
I want to know everything.
You ask too many questions. In the absence of any offer, inexperimental.
Of course, how can I forget? Lahat ng katotohanan may presyo. It's done. 15 million in your account. Nang kung kulang pa yan, I'm ready to give you 100 million more. That should be enough to help you start a new brand and you'll be fine.
Kulang pa yan.
How much?
You know, I don't actually need your money. How can I make sure na hindi mo ako papaligtarin? Or worse, papatayin.
Now we're talking. What if I told you that I had something I could give you? Help you trust me a little bit more. That's right. I killed Helena. Now you know my secret. I'm entrusting you with it. It should be enough, right?
Matapang ka. I already betrayed Noreen. How can you make sure that I'm not going to betray you?
You don't really have a choice. Because I'm your only ally in this. You only have me. There's no one else.
Well then, done deal. You will know everything. Just make sure na mapapagsakin mo sila.
Natin. Pababaksakin natin sila. You're free. I killed Helena. Now you know my secret.
Napaka-noble naman pala ng kuya mo. Natupad ba yung mission niya?
Well, not all the time. When my kuya passed away, nahirapan talaga ako mag-recover. So, I drowned myself to work. Went out partying, met a lot of girls. Beautiful girls. Kaya alam mo na yan.
And?
Well, wala. Hindi naman kasi nag-work yung mga ganun.
Pero mukhang okay ka naman ngayon.
You mean, I look good? Yun ba?
Fine. Oh, you look good. You look at peace.
Peace. Well, akala ko, sabi mo cute ako. Pwede naman ah. Sabi mo I look good. But okay, seriously, what really helped me was to commune with nature. Getting lost in the middle of the forest, surrounding myself with the force of nature. And that's when I realized na in life, there are other forces bigger than us. Bigger than our problems. And that's when I started to heal.
Buti nakapag-heal ka na.
Ikaw,
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong mag-heal. Natatakot kasi ako. Natatakot ako na baka pag hindi na ako nasasaktan, na wala na yung ate ko. Kalimutan ko siya. Sorry.
sino ba nagsabing hindi ka na masasaktan kapag healed ka na? Grief will always be there. That grief can also be our friend. May hiking trip ako soon. When you're ready, gusto mong sumama.
Tinanggap ng beauty CEO at influencer na si Doreen Alfonso ang hamon ng influencer na si Shari De Jesus na magharap hindi sa isang showdown, kundi sa isang takedown, whatever that means. OMG! Ano na mga besh ang masasabi nyo sa pasabog ng Doreen Alfonso? At heto pa ha, siya raw ang magsiset ng venue, ipapadala privately kay Shari De Jesus.
Saan kaya ito? I wonder. Kaya dapat niyo tong abangan.
Sumuko ka na!
Papatayin ko tong babaeng to. Sige, one step! Step back!
Puntahan natin sila! Hindi pwede nilang saktan si Noreen ko! Gino, kasama ba yan sa plano? Noreen! Hindi! Wag! Eddie? Eddie? Eddie, please! Madam Clara!
Ma'am!
Please, wag niyo siyang sasaktan. Anak ko yan! Please! Eddie!
Man! Eddie, please! Ibaba mo yung baril mo, please! Please! What's the matter with you? All of a sudden, I'm your son now. Why now? What's happening? Ano, bigla ka nalang pupunta dito and then you decided to become my mom after all these years? Buong buhay ko, wala ka namang pakialam sa akin, diba? That's not true! Do not lie to me! Please, Eddie. You did this. You did this! Eddie, please. Let's talk. Eddie. Nag-usap na tayo noon, di ba? I went to you. I came to you! I told you what she was doing. Sabi ko sa kayo yung si Yaya, meron siyang ginagawa sa akin. Hindi ko maintindihan, pero alam ko hindi siya okay! I don't remember. I knew it was wrong. What did you do? You told me to stop making up stories. What does that mean? Sarili kong nanay? Ganun ako ka ba? Tatawag niya sa akin sinungaling? Do you even remember? Huh? How could you? All you ever did there is just stand there and do nothing. Say nothing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Si Miss Pilar, naalala mo? That's business partner, yeah? She served dinner in the house. I told you what she was doing to me. I'm sorry. She was molesting me. You never listen. I'm sorry. I asked for help from my own mother. What did she do? Sinumpog niya ako sa sarili kong tatay. Nilaglag niya ako. You know what he's like. You've seen what he does to me. I'm sorry. Kasi alam mo, yung pabugbog niya, it's nothing. The things that he would say. You know, Eddie, you're a disappointment. You're a disappointment, Eddie. I wish you never had to do this, Eddie. Why do you have to keep ruining my name, Eddie? You shouldn't have been born, Eddie. I wish you were never born, Eddie. What I needed was a mother. You were under.
Kung masama akong tao, siguro ako na mismo ang pumatay sa'yo. At sisiguraduhin kong hindi ka na mabubuhay.
Walang kahit na sinong tao, kahit gano'ng kabait pa yan, ang hindi ako papatayin pagkatapos ang ginawa ko sa kapatid mo. Sa dami ng babae, tinrata kong parang kaya. Ano ba sabihin? Porket nakailata ko dito ngayon, pinagsisisihan ko ang lahat ng yan. Think again, darling. They're all right here. Hanggang ngayon, pinagpapantasan ko pa rin sila. Lahat sila. Pinabalik-balik ako na I have to close my eyes. And I'm right then and there, the night na hinanay ko, yung kapatid mo. You should have seen her. She didn't fight. She didn't scream. She was so fragile. I could even smell her.
Tama na.
What are you gonna do? Hurt me? Hurt me? Do it, Noreen. You know I deserve it. Kill me. Do it. Patayin mo ako. Do it. I know you can do it. Just do it. Nandito nga ako ngayon pero panalo pa rin ako. Ikaw pa rin yung talo. I'll tell you why. It's that conscience of yours. It makes you weak. Yung kagustuhan mo maging mabuting tao, it makes you weak.
Oo. Alam ko. Nagkakaganyan ka. Kasi sinaktan ka. Pinabayaan. Inabuso. Lahat ng ginawa mo sa mga naging biktima mo, ikaw ang unang nakaranas. Pero hindi dahilan yun para kalimutan mo maging tao, Eddie. Kaya yun ang hindi ko gagawin. Ang maging isang taong walang puso, walang konsensya, na hindi kaya magmahal at tumanggap ng pagmamahal.
Ano naman ang gagawin ko sa pagmamahal na yan?
Sa ating dalawa, Eddie, ikaw ang talo. Ni isa, walang humingi ng tawad sa'yo. Sa lahat naranasan mo. At yun ang hindi mangyayari sa akin. Nagpunta ako dito dahil gusto ko nang tapusin ang galit ko sa'yo. Kahit alam kong kailanman hindi mo hihingin sa akin.
Kahit what are you saying? Pinapatawad mo ako. After everything I put you through.
Yun ba yung gusto mo? Pinapalaya ko ang sarili ko mula sa galit at sakit ng pagkamuhi ko sa'yo. Kung pagpapatawad ang tawag mo doon, so be it.
It makes you weak and stupid.
Ginagawa ko to hindi para sa'yo. Ginagawa ko to para sa sarili ko. Ikaw hanggang dito ka na lang. Pero ako, magpapatuloy ang buhay ko na punong-puno ng saya at pagmamahal galing sa mga taong mahal ko. Hindi katangahan o kahinaan ang tawag doon. Yun ay ang pagiging isang tao.
No, you just don't understand. You don't have what it takes. You don't have what it takes!